Well, guys, I hope you like this short flight from Miami. This was actually at Island Gardens Marina. This is one of the three largest marina that can take big super yachts. So there's two more, and I will bring those to you pretty soon. But for now, I want to remind you that we are working for this Wednesday that the Miami International Boat Show will start, and we are going to be filming there the whole day. So if you wanna see live content, be sure to be on the lookout for our videos. So for now, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.